So 3 American muscle cars to start off with, followed by another one, Corvette. Not a common sight in Spain, these. Starting to get busy now. I don't think it's quite full because this M5 comp turned up. It's just arrived. There's space for more to turn up a bit later on as well. Start of the morning, 9:30, 10 o'clock or something like that. Turnouts getting better and better. Really is a mixed bag, isn't it? You've got Demon alongside a Focus ST.
It's my favourite because it has Spongebob, Squidward and Patrick on it. I also like the black one they added on it.
Bottom now, there's a hell of a lot more than what there was. All sorts down here, really. Proper car meet, rough and the smooth. You got your moderns, RSs. There's a few Civics kicking about. Golf. You got absolutely slammed. Really low. Not even sure you'd be able to get a piece of paper underneath parts of it. I think it is actually touching in most places. It's mental. It's not my cup of tea, but it is a lot of people's cup of tea. We've got some crazy drift cars here, a couple of old BMWs as well. good 15 centimetre disc, at least that. And the Old Faithful in a light, lovely blue that needs a little bit of teacup, but it's Turbo WRX. Absolutely nuts how it's echoing through the valley. Backfire. I would love to know which car it is. Easy car meets. Oh, that's mental. Love it. That's brilliant. That's just away we are going. It's been good, unexpected, loud, brash. Definitely gonna have to try and follow them. That's them there. They've got Instagram, they've got TikTok. They haven't got YouTube by the looks of it, but we will find them and we'll see when the next one is. Adios.